Want to build your own AI chatbot? Let's break it down step by step. First, define your chatbot's purpose. Is it for customer support, appointment scheduling, or something else? Know your target audience, whether it's students, customers, or employees. Next, choose your platform. You can custom build using Python with TensorFlow or Node.js, or use pre-built solutions like Dialogflow, Microsoft Bot Framework, or Rasa. For NLP, pick your model. You can use pre-trained models like GPT or BERT, or train your own with TensorFlow or PyTorch. Now, design the conversation flow. Use dialogue trees or flowcharts to map out the user interactions and responses. Got data? Train or fine-tune your model. Pre-trained models like GPT are ideal for quick start, but fine-tuning adds accuracy. Need data? Integrate third-party APIs for tasks like booking systems, weather updates, or back-end databases for real-time info. Don't forget testing. Simulate real user interactions and run automated tests to ensure smooth performance across all scenarios. Ready to launch? Deploy on platforms like websites, WhatsApp, or Messenger. Use AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud for hosting. Finally, monitor performance and collect user feedback to optimize and improve your chatbot's accuracy over time. And there you have it. Start building your AI chatbot today with platforms like Dialogflow, Rasa, or OpenAI's GPT. Subscribe for exciting videos on all these tools and platforms.